Viens passer. Cassez les gars.
Just a repeat of what happened during the day. You scared me.
Oh my God, that was close.
Hey! Ụmụnne m alọta o! Ụmụnne m alọta o! Hey! Ewo! My people are back! Hey! Welcome! Ew! Oh, Kazimma! Putawa, get your nipples on. Auntie! I see my daughters. Oh, Malicham.
You look nice.
Thank you, Joanne. You're beautiful. Where is the electric? Electric, calm down. Oh.
You look so nice.
Thank you. Hey. One leg. Hey, electric. Hey. Electric.
Electra.
Please forgive me. The moment you hear Ele or Wire, you know I'm referring to you. Auntie, you're very
funny. How are you?
I'm fine. Hi, beautiful people. You're looking good.
She's not even looking like
wow. Is it our blood?
Girls, please, get the things from the boat.
Okay. How was the road?
You know how the roads are very bad. Very bad.
Thank God you people are experiencing what we expect. But every day we hear it on radio that the roads are perfectly okay.
It's all politics. It's all politics one day.
Hi, and nobody called me to tell me that you people are coming.
Hey, there is no need now. Sister, this is your food.
Where? My brother. I hope you enjoy your meal.
One day. The meal is sumptuous. That is why I like coming to the village.
Okay. Look at you. I know you're flattering me. This one is very small. It's because I could not get all the necessary condiments I needed. If you had informed me days before coming, I would have prepared something more palatable than this.
More than this?
Look at our berry hen. This one is small thing.
Oh, one and why? This is a sumptuous meal.
Because enjoy.
This one is more than wonderful. You see why I like coming back to the village? You see? Let me stop here. Ngeli wafo.
Okay, let me take the plates in.
Wait. And then there is something I want us to discuss.
Yes. Okay.
Because if you carry this plate inside, by the time you come out, I will have dozed off.
Oh, let's go ahead and talk.
I came to inform you that I have retired from the civil service.
Hey, for the privilege given to my brother to work all these years and retire in good health.
Yes, sir.
Hell!
Amen. And I have decided to relocate back to the village. Yes. So that I can look for where and how to invest whatever they will give me as gratuity.
Hey, that is thoughtful of you. Chai. Oh, Omaka.
Where are the girls?
Those girls are wonderful. They have been with me in the kitchen cooking. Keeping me company. I love them more.
It's alright. So that's what I said I should let you know.
Okay, let me take the plates inside now.
It's okay. And then take the plates.
Are you okay with the water?
Yeah, I'm okay with everything. Hey! If I have started sleeping by the time you come back, don't wake me up.
No problem.
My sister.
Down. You really make me laugh.
See, those things are too archaic. They should give way to civilization. Just as we are taught in school.
Nena.
What is amusing you?
Oh, children cannot stop being children. Honestly. Imagine my niece calling our own culture. Calling our culture a cake. Hey! Please, how is your family?
They are fine, my dear. And who is she? Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, my daughter.
Electric, my niece.
Electra, auntie.
Whichever one. My own daughter, my brother's daughter. All the same.
They came back?
They came.
Hey, Mom, you are welcome.
Yeah. Thank you, ma.
Look how she's beautiful. No wonder you are calling her electric. That is real electric.
You know now, our lineage are beautiful people. Now shine. As you can see, my sister, we're coming from the market. I have to get more food stuff for the house. Now we are many in number.
Oh, I'm not in there for me. I'm going to
don't have problem.
I'm going to bye-bye.
We'll see you.
Bye-bye.
Oh, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Stop looking.
John, where is your aunt and Electra?
They went out together.
Oh, really? So why didn't you go with them?
So the sun is too much. I can't be walking under this scorching sun.
Okay. So when you get admission into the university, I will have to buy you an air-conditioned umbrella, suit, shoes, so you don't have to feel the scorching sun.
Dad, stop. I didn't say I won't go out to socialize. Just that I don't want to go out today.
Oh, yes, I know. Okay, fine. By then they would have made some inventions that have to like air-conditioned street like they have in Taiwan.
Dad, you're not serious. I'll just Not today. I want to be by myself and have me time.
Anyway, girl, I am going out to see some of my kinsmen and some families that are bereaved. Okay. Pay my condolences.
Take care of yourself.
All right. Okay, I'll be back.
All right, take care of yourself.
Same here.
Just like that. Yeah, after blending you fry. Put the combination later. Auntie, what are you guys doing? Nothing, just going through some things on Facebook.
Oh, electric.
Auntie, it's not electric, it's Electra.
Sorry about that.
Electra.
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 Auntie, you keep making the same mistake every day.
Chai, this reminds me of your mother. May her soul rest in peace.
Amen.
I told her when she was giving you this name. I told her a common woman in this village cannot pronounce this name. A name I cannot pronounce. Forgive me, my dear. Take this money. Run to Mama and Collie's place and buy me a video play. Why are you making faces? Please run as fast as your legs can take you. See, it's about to rain.
Walk you where? Because carry your cross.
Juan, please run. Go see rain.
Well, let me enjoy this thing alone.
Please come to the kitchen. Come with me.
Auntie, I should come to the kitchen.
Please, let's go and prepare something fast.
I'm coming.
Emeka! Hey! Hey! Who is she? I mean, she's beautiful. I didn't know how. Are you asking me? Why don't you ask her? So we have this kind of girl in this our village. Right now, I'm going right away to go and ask her. Hey! Emeka! Look at this guy, yo. He's ready to abandon the important place he's supposed to go to just because he saw a girl. Hey! Hello, man. So what? Hey! Emeka!
And I beg, do fast. Now give my change. Man, come on. Thank you.
All right. Welcome.
Good afternoon.
What do you want?
Ogiri.
How much? 50 naira.
Okay, give me 2. Please be fast. Okay.
Hi.
Helen.
You're beautiful.
Thank you.
I saw you in the far distance when you were running, and I was with my friend. As you run
Please
gym.
be fast, my friend.
Yes. So you passed me, so I decided to follow you down here. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
How can I see you again?
Sorry, that'll be some other time. My auntie's waiting.
Okay. How can I locate your location? Why are you laughing at me? Why are you following me like a mad dog?
You are the one who is mad. You have gone mad, my friend. So we are on our way to see Ugoji for an important discussion. Is there to stop to shut up a woman?
Is there any problem? Is there any problem?
Hey,
Nigerian job for my own. Safe journey.
Of course, I'll miss you. All I want you to do is to take care of yourselves, take care of the house, take care of my sister. It's okay, I'll miss you too.
Please, you girls should let your father be. He will come back soon.
Adadne.
Job for my own.
It's okay. Cody, well done.
Safe trip. Bye.
Where is my car key? Ada, where is my car key?
No. To bribe me. Bribe us before you get your car key.
Oh.
Daddy, what will you buy for us?
Of course, I will always buy something for you.
What is it? Say it.
Okay. It's a surprise.
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 Are you sure?
Yeah.
So I should give you the key.
Of course.
Eh? Where is your key?
Bye, Daddy.
Adadne.
Drive carefully, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
We love you.
I don't know why you are shy when talking to me. It's you and I. Here, nobody else. Chill. Huh? I'm here to make it now. See, I want to ask you a question. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Are you sure?
Want my father to kill me. When I was in secondary school, it was just this boy from my school.
This boy from your school?
Yes.
On the main here?
No.
Are you sure that he's not doing this?
Want my father to kill me.
Okay, now you have told me that he's not doing anything. See, my heart is full of joy. Now listen, the reason I invited you here is I want you to be my girlfriend.
Me, be your girlfriend.
Please don't say no. No. Because you know.
Then, if you say so, I have to think about it because I've not had this kind of experience.
Why are you talking to me? You are running. You're talking to me. You are running. Bianso. Yeah. Bianso. Come on. Oh, Otobugum. Lanya. Think about it. I'll get back to you. I'm happy. Hey, look on Patea. Think about it too. Electra. Hi. Oh. Patawan kid cool down.
You're welcome.
Thank you. My mother said you people just returned from the city to the village.
Yes. And that is because my father just retired from civil service. Instead of staying in the city, spending so much money, we decided to come back to the village. But I was still waiting for our admission letters, me and my sister.
Okay, same here. See, why don't you just come to our house one of these days? At least we can share ideas and time together.
That's a good idea, but you see, anyone with silver spoon in the city. We are not used to visiting people. We're always on our own.
You're not too old to learn that. At least I can be your friend. Since you're here to make friends.
That's so nice of you. Thank you very much. And you seem like a nice person. Hope we're not feeling bored sitting on here. Auntie, how can she feel bored when I'm here?
Look at what she said. Look at what she said. How can she be bored sitting down with her sister?
Don't mind me.
Mama, how can I be bored when I'm with her? She's even paying us a visit. So.
Serious? Seriously? Yes, I will.
Hey, mom. Hey,
Hey,
mom. If I hear you well, this one that cannot even step out of the house.
Auntie, stop.
Because don't mind your auntie.
You better learn how to move around though, so that your legs will not swell up.
They're not going to swell up. I'm starting from her. Okay. She promised to be teaching me when we had the gas in a village. About those rich boys, Mangas. Are you sure you say you teach me?
Don't mind her, she's just joking. Don't mind your auntie.
You better learn to start. No problem.
Yeah? We have to start there. Okay.
Take care of your mom.
My friend, give me a hug now. Thank you. Okay, bye.
Bye.
I'll come to your house soon. Okay, bye.
Oh, I'm so tired.
Auntie, she's such a nice person. She said I can visit her anytime I want to. And she'll be telling me happenings in this village.
As if you can go.
I'll go. I'll go. I now have a new friend.
You mean your sister did not say anything to you? Before leaving this house?
No, Auntie, but I believe she will come back. She's not a child.
Small time, your father will start blaming me for incompetence.
Auntie, don't worry yourself. She will come back.
Oh. Yeah, electric. Where are you coming from?
I'm sorry, Auntie. I went to see a friend and I lost track of time.
Oh. So now you are a kid that you lose track of time. Mbo electric.
Auntie, forgive me, it will not happen again.
And who is this friend that I don't know? You're already seeing a boy in this village.
Must you know everyone?
Or must I know everyone?
Electric. You see your problem. When you start something, you will do it and do it over. Who knows that particular village boy now that must have captured you?
Okay. And I'm going to sleep because the person we are waiting for is not even doing as if we're waiting.
Oh, I have to go and sleep.
I am fine because that I have not called to say welcome back since you returned. It was Nena who just informed me yesterday. You forgot?
Oh, don't let that bother you. Don't let that bother you. Is that not
Mazi Okeke's daughter, no, that small kid of yesterday.
She has grown.
Yes, so now welcome back.
Anyway.
Sorry, I have not come to say welcome. It was Nena who informed me about your arrival just yesterday.
Don't let that bother you.
Yes.
You know, I can't remember any time I visited the village that you were not there to visit. If not for anything, for the dry antelope meat.
Yes.
and the palm wine.
You're right. If you go to bush meat, the dry one, yes. For Salad. Oh, that is it. In fact, as you have said it now, I'm salivating. That is better of that
one. I actually came back because I have retired from the civil service. And I said, well, let me come back to the village, look around and see how I can be of service to the community.
Exactly the reason I wanted to see you. You see, our town union, the election is coming soon. I want you to go for an elective post. Your expertise will be of great importance to us. In fact, we will gain more from your expertise. Go in for it. That's why I want to talk to you.
This going into these local politics, will it not be stressful?
Says who? Is it as stressful as your civil service work? You did it for government and you retired successfully. Not everybody who had gone there survived and came back home alive. Here you are, alive. We need you. Come and do it. It's not stressful. What are you doing? You call for meeting. When you call for the meeting, we all respond. We want to build, have a project. Let us raise money. We raise money. Our children will come and raise the money. You are the chairman. I count the money with you. Uncle, I'll go. That's all it takes. The most important thing is that don't think about it. It is done. One, you are an expert. You have done it for government. Now this is our own community. You will continue doing it for us. Yeah.
Hey! What are you doing there? This is someone's orange.
Is this not village? I thought I should help myself with some fruits.
Okay, let me help you with one.
Don't bother yourself. Let me go home.
Wait. Okay, you know what? Let me escort you to your destination.
As in, escort me home?
Let me escort you home.
For what? As what? You barely know me.
Because I care. I'm trying to be romantic. Yes.
Your cup of tea.
What? And here you go. Wait. Wait. Wow. Is this your house?
Yes, this is my house. And thank you very much for being a worthy escort.
Is it what you think I am?
What would you rather be?
See, you are beautiful. You're an epitome of beauty.
Seriously? Is that what you tell other girls in this village? Or Kiseji Shampoo Asafisi?
Are they crazy?
Anyway, I don't have time to make friends in this village. So,
where will I see you again? Just tell me where will I see you again?
I don't know where you will see my beautiful face again because I hardly leave this compound. So, let's leave it to fate. Whenever or wherever.
Wait. Okay. Please. Just, please. I like you. I want you to be my friend. You can tell me when we're going to see your face again so that I...
Have a nice day.
Because...
Nena.
One leg.
Omego.
Your food is ready. Come and eat.
Not now. Please, let me enjoy, this news. No?
Okay, if you say so. I hope you went well.
My dear, everything went smooth.
Tell me.
Everything went smoothly. I do not know if I am the only one that has been favored by the guards.
Tell me. They paid you the gratuity?
Everything. They paid me 30 million naira.
Hey, wait!
As soon as I went to the office and submitted my document, the man handed me over the check. He said yes. He gave me.
Hey! How? Keep catching me.
Are you shouting? Why are you shouting? You want them to come. Anyway, I have paid the money into a special account.
Hey, Omeka one. This is time to do the real business. You know we can be taking a palm oil from our place here to the north to sell.
Nena.
Hey.
I am retired. I am retired. I do not have any desire whatsoever to begin to pursue business and collect 10 naira, 20 naira here. I don't have. I have put the money in trust for my children. Yeah, all I have.
I think you're right, my brother. You're right. Hey, I'm happy for you. Hey.
You don't know how to respect your channel. Kita aja. Enggak. Itu. You eat. Iya, aja. Eat. Enggak aja. Eat it.
Stop it.
Eat it. Iya, aja. Yes.
Joan!
Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
John!
Leave me alone! Papa!
John, stop it!
Please!
Stop it!
Leave me!
What is wrong with you?
Leave me!
Stop it!
Leave me alone!
What? John!
Ozuka! Ozuka, come back.
John, what's your problem? What is it?
Electric! Just because I made a little joke with her. Obido na spark electric. Na spark. Omara na eji mu mmili, eji mu ogwu ya. O spark rana nwunyo e. Yes, that's what I did. I wonyo me na eba now.
What is it? Electra, what is it? So your sister can no longer afford to joke with you? Your sister cannot afford to joke with you? Now, kneel down and apologize to your sister. You will not apologize to your sister. Okay. John, let's go.
Follow here. Follow back. Electric. No, is she coming again? Is she coming again? Is she coming again? Look at you. You were on the floor.
It's all about play your card well. I don't know why you're doing this now. All for you.
Emeka, I don't know what you mean, oh. But don't take this as a game. Look at my go.
Wait, which game are you talking about? What kind of game? What kind of game? I didn't even know they were sisters. I didn't even know.
Now you know. Keep the say.
Go think it's Matazian.
The best thing you should do now is to concentrate on the one you started with. I'm a one inch away against you know. But I'm not here. We're coming jumbo to.
Listen to me. Genti. There's no law in this country, this is our Nigeria, that says you must date only one sister. I say, bah! Let me tell you, if you play your card well, if you play it well, you go enter. You can appear. I am Ronaldo now, not for you. None of them will know that I'm going after each other. Over.
Emeka, you're selfish. You're selfish, Emeka. Well, who am I to stop you? After all, every lion is on his own.
Simple! That's what I want to hear from you. When you say, shake. You know what? See, let me tell you. Okocha remains Okocha, Ronaldo remains Ronaldo. I will put connection between two of them. Not for you. Now we there now. How are you? Why am I partying anybody?
Emeka.
Ele. Elevo. Sugar baby. Pino moi. Shaku baby. Shaku baby. Shaku.
Cheat. Stupid man. I thought you said you loved me. Yet you are planning on dating my sister.
Electra, who is feeding you with these lies? I'm not dating your sister. Believe me, I am not.
Liar. You think I am blind? I saw you two with my eyes. And you were happy together.
I saw your sister, she was in danger. I'm trying to be a good Samaritan. I stayed out going home. Okay, will you expect us to be walking like zombie? No, now that's the thing. It's because you just
Emeka, you are wicked.
Sister, you just
leave me.
Like this now. Piano.
Leave me.
Emeka,
I miss you have come again.
I miss your talk, your laugh.
You have come again.
Everything. Even your baby. Come, let's go inside. Let me show you something. We are not doing anything. See, I missed everything about you.
Leave me.
I missed everything.
Leave me.
Come, let's go inside. Let me dance.
My brother, there's something else I want us to talk about.
What is it?
Since my husband people threw me out of the house because of my husband's death, I think it's time I get something doing at least to help myself. It's not when I need the ose, pepper, I will come to you. I will need salt, I will come to you. At any time, I come to you for one thing or the other. At least I can be helping myself out. Eh? I suggest you find me some money. Let me start business.
That's okay. That's a good idea. Very good idea. But I don't have money now. I don't have money now. What about the money you collect from the sale of the palm fruits in my farm? Is it not enough?
Hey, oh, how do you expect such money to be enough now? Eh? If anything goes wrong in the house, I take care of repairs. I eat. I do so many expenses. Eh? You know everything. That money can never be enough.
I know, but I don't have any money now. I don't. The little money I have, my gratuity, is held in trust for my children.
Trust?
You see, they are the only ones I have. My daughters. They are my investment, actually.
Wait, I don't understand this trust you're talking about. Are you saying you have someone like me in this house and you go outside to give somebody money to keep for you?
One.
You don't trust me again.
It is not like that. That is not what I mean. What I mean is that the money I have is in the bank. It's in a fixed deposit. And the money is for my children, my daughters. So that when they finish their university education, they can use the money to start something. And find their bearing in life.
I now understand. It's okay.
Let me go inside.
It's okay. Take it easy.
This cough is taking all my strength from me.
Take it easy. Easy, eh? You need the rest. Oh, I'm not coming.
Who took my bucket? Electra! I'm sure it's that little witch that took my bucket. Electra! 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 Electra!
Why are you shouting my name like a mad dog?
Muwa!
Yes!
Muwa, mad
Yes,
dog!
you!
I have seen you have gone wacko. Allah Pubagoi. Why did you take my bucket?
Is your name written on this bucket?
Yes. My name is not written on it.
Get out!
In that case, none of us will wash. We are not going to want it like that. None of us. We are not going to wash. Hey, you want fight? I'll give you fight. I'll give you fight. Let me so you want to fight? You want to fight? I'll deal with you. Next time, you don't do it.
have turned to killing me in this house. Eh? And you electric. Your own is that at any moment you spark. Why? You want to kill, you want to do anything. Omenka, tell your children. Let us go after the dark goat while the sun shines. And I've said my...
And both of you, how many times have I warned you not to fight in this house again?
That is not me. Ask this Ochaka Omaka, Uriede. She's the one that started it. And I'll be electric. You see an elbow and I spark. I always quench you when you spark. Before God.
Liar! You slapped me first. Daddy, see my hair, see my watch, see my body.
Daddy, see my own. See my own blood more than I buy for 1 million. Wicked soul. You witch. Witch!
Will you stop?
And I'll be electric. You see an elbow. In a spark. In spark. I will always quench you.
Yeah, wait. Yes.
I said stop it! Okay. Now, both of you go into the house. I don't want to hear any more noise in this house again. Get in!
Ogucha. Eh? Is that all you have to say? You are the one spoiling these children. Honestly, you are.
Odogu, I understand your plight over that. Amaka, you're just coming back with this water. Will you fly inside now and prepare my food?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Biko, Umazia. I understand your disappointment.
That's your last child.
My last daughter. Amaka, no, nonsense. I understand your confusion and the disappointment over your children. You see, it is normal. It's normal. It's a phase, everything will pass. Don't worry.
Iche, I brought up my children to be responsible. And I don't want to believe that it is this village that has influenced them negatively.
I don't think so. Have you forgotten how I and my younger brother used to fight back those days? Yeah.
It's true.
Here we are today.
Back then, you both were like cat and rat.
Oh.
Now, see how close you are. Even closer than your wife.
You see? So your daughters, we can never be an exception. Give them time. With time, it's a phase. It will pass. Trust me. Amaka!
Electra. My baby. Why are you wearing this kind of face? What is the problem?
I want someone to be taken care of.
Taken care of? Okay. If I may ask, who is the person?
My sister. I want you to make sure she never returns.
Hey. Now you are talking. Remember, nothing goes for nothing. Nothing goes for nothing. You have Tramia. You have Tramia now. You hear me? Is it a deal?
Emeka, I am not a kid. Just do what I ask, and it will not be a problem.
That is what I'm saying. Deal or no deal?
Do what I ask.
Iwatania no.
Do what I ask first. It will not be a problem.
Simple. The game is over. See you.
Hey!
I'm going out.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to the market to buy some personal things.
Okay, in the market. If you have some money left, please buy me kola nut for my guests.
Daddy, you know, G. It's not for your guests anything. You like kola nut. I'll buy for you. Huh?
Okay. Have a nice day.
You too.
Where can she be? For heaven's sake, where is this girl? I'm so worried. Where is Joanne? Where can she be?
Oh, Omeka, my brother, take it easy, relax. You're getting me nervous, I don't like it.
You're telling me to take it easy? Joanne is not here. She's been gone for so long. I mean, I've lost count on where to locate her.
I am worried too. Can't you see? I'm worried.
Okay. Now, look. The worst part is that I've been trying to call her number. Okay, let me call it again. Now, you will see what I'm talking about. I've been calling it for the past 2 hours. Okay. Not reachable.
Yeah, Alatri.
I heard you people discussing and I decided to come out.
Thank God you're here. Do you have idea where your sister might be?
My sister? Joanne is grown and she can take care of herself. Is that why you people are here disturbing yourself over nothing?
Please, I'm going back inside.
I mean, she doesn't care where her sister is. Electra does not... She's not bothered where her sister might be.
I told you.
Just look at Electra. Look at her. She doesn't care where her sister would be at this time of the day. What is wrong? What is happening?
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Shut up your mouth! Shh! Shut up! You didn't come here to complain. Idiot.
I don't talk. I don't reason things. How this girl don't open your pattern for this place? I don't reason you. But we wait this girl. But wait that. Me man for don't cover. Who just called this girl? Come on.
Yes, shield.
Shh. You say they talk, Abi? Oh, Master, do something. Do something.
You guys should do it. Shield.
Shh.
I just shut up. What's wrong with you?
Don't kill me, I'm innocent, don't kill me.
Shut up.
I don't offend anybody. Oh.
Shut up your mouth, oh.
Girls. Come. Let's talk. Come.
You see me? Please. I'm innocent.
Someone come cover that mouth. I don't the reason, no. This is my knife, I want it for something.
Baby, shield now. Come.
I don't they talk hard. You don't know what I'm saying.
Calm down.
Calm down.
I would have done that before now. Okay.
Hey! Hey, I did take it.
Wonderful player. Amy, who is she? Why don't you go ahead and make the formal introduction? That
yes, it's not waiting.
So now you know what I think.
Wait, I don't understand. Why don't you go ahead and tell me who this thing is?
Are you referring to me as this thing?
Liver, you want to her! Liver! You just want to follow this girl now? Hey! Oh! How did this thing at the talker? Since smoke by what they make soup now. See as it be. Hey! Oh! Electric, come back here. Where are you coming from? Where have you been? Auntie, I'm no longer a kid. So don't address me as one. Auntie, you remain a child in this house until you get married and pack into a man's house. That is when I know that you are no longer under my own control. Eh? Auntie, marriage or no marriage, I am no longer a kid. And I know what I'm saying. Come here. Come here, Electric. Electric. Come back. Come and send food to your dad, though. Come back and take food to your father. I don't have time for this your nonsense and madness. If you madness, keep it to yourself. Mama, oh, mama, imela. Mama, mama. Mama, I will see.
Excuse me. Hello?
Yes, how can I help you?
Do you live around this vicinity? I think I've been seeing you around.
I'm sorry, I don't talk to strangers. Excuse me.
Hello, excuse me, please. Just pardon my manners. Huh? My name is Benson. Actually, I've been seeing you around, and if you don't mind, I would like to know more about you.
All right. My name is John. So, what do you want to know about me?
Actually, I just I want to know more about you. And if you don't mind, I would like to pay an honest visit to your house.
Are you serious? You just met me and you want to pay an honest visit to my house just like that? Do you know me before?
I don't mean any harm. You know, you're such a beautiful girl. And I would like to know your parents, get to know more about you. That is why I want to pay an honest visit to you.
Alright, good luck with that. Because I'm not giving you my house address. Excuse me.
Excuse me? Hello? Joan, I still don't understand why you don't want me to come see your parents.
It's not like I don't want you to come and see my parents. But like I told you before, I want to go to school first. I want to become a graduate before entering any man's house. Please.
There is no problem about that. No problem. I told you I will see you through school. I will do anything for you.
You will?
I swear.
Auntie, Auntie, come and see what I've been telling you with your two eyes. Auntie, I have been telling you that Juan is a prostitute. You refuse to listen. Auntie, Juan is out there kissing and romancing a man in public. What Juan does in this village is one day one man. Today is Emeka, tomorrow Chijoke.
Where else go?
One day one man.
Take me to
today Emeka, tomorrow Chijoke.
Where's my slippers?
Auntie, come and see. Come and see.
What kind of thing is that?
Okay, but you still have to allow me to think about it.
It's alright. I'll give you the time to think about it. But I just want you to count on me, okay?
Okay. I'll count it.
I promise I will never let you down.
What is happening here?
Auntie, not to know. You just...
You already adjust. You have
Auntie,
gotten
you see what
to just.
I've been telling you.
Hey, you shut up!
One day, one man.
You think...
What are you doing with my dress?
Auntie, as you can see, he was not doing anything with me. In fact...
We're friends.
Your friend?
Yes.
He wants marriage, marriage.
Yeah.
When we get to the house, we'll talk about marriage. Huh?
Yesterday, it was Chijoke. Marriage.
Auntie, marriage.
Move. I don't want to see you anywhere close to her. Did that get into your head?
Please,
And Auntie, this one is the
Please,
fifth
what
man
is
you
your
hold.
problem? What is your problem?
How many will you marry? How many will you marry? And you think I'm you that's sleeping? He wants to marry me. He wants to marry me.
Good afternoon, Daddy.
Oh, Electra.
Daddy.
Good afternoon.
Daddy, I need little assistance from you.
How much do you need?
5,000, Daddy.
You don't know I'm a titled man. You'll be telling me all those things here. Okay.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Learn how to manage money or Electra. Money is not always there.
a small thing. No?
Thank you for seeing me off. Please, when you go in there, greet them for me. What do you call Alatra and Juan? Greet them, tell them I came. Oh, I have to be going. Why is your face like this now?
My sister, you don't know what I'm going through. Honestly, those girls are horrible. I am telling you. Do you know the things they used to do before? Love each other, do things together. This time, you can never see them doing it again.
No digging. Hey, but you have to try settling the rifts between them.
I. Oh, so you want them to break my head up here? It's not possible. I never know people in the city are tigers. I am just seeing it in my brother's house. Hey.
Anyway, they are still children. I believe they will overgrow it.
At this age, those girls that are old enough to be in their husband's house, you call them children. My sister, I think when you get to the church, please talk to your pastor. They need deliverance.
See, the meeting has started. I have to run around.
No problem.
See you.
On them.
Hi. How are you?
What can I do for you?
Actually, I am Benson and I am here to...
I already know your name. Please go straight to the point. Why are you disturbing this neighborhood with your car horn?
I have an appointment with Joan. Please, can I see her?
Do you know you don't have shame in your entire life?
I beg your pardon.
Because if you do, you will not be asking after a cheap prostitute.
I mean, why are you accusing your sister of being a prostitute? What has she done to you?
I'm helping your life and you're talking nonsense.
You should stop saying this to your sister.
If she's not a prostitute, then why is she not at home?
I think you're wicked. This thing you're doing is not good. Prostitute.
When you finish cooking, give me 3 pieces of meat. Wait. Ogene, what is it? What are you looking for? Hey! My mother will kill me today. What happened?
Do you know I forgot the meat?
The meat you bought?
I need to go back there and get it.
That market is far. My legs are paining me. Okay, let's go.
Go? No, you need to wait here for me.
I'll be waiting for you. I'll just look for somewhere and sit and wait for you.
Do well, be fast. Just wait, okay? Alright.
Chukwudi! Chukwudi!
Hi! Juju, is this you?
It's me!
Jesus! You are looking good.
You are the one that is looking good.
It's been a while, my dear. Don't mind me.
Have your guy settled you?
My dear, I came for the settlement.
You came for the settlement?
I'm telling you.
Are you already looking good? Look at your chain. They got a gold watch.
You know it's
Nkendi Mbukana.
My kumkum. You're looking good. Look at you. I heard you came back from the city.
Yes, so we are now in the village. No, my father is retired, so we are in the village.
How is that your sister?
My sister is fine.
So what are you doing here?
I'm waiting for my friend Chinelo. We are coming back from the market, but she forgot meat. The meat she bought in the market.
Anokwa. Ojibuche.
Ojibuche, you know now we are discussing. Okay.
I think her sister might be right. She a prostitute.
You're looking good, dude.
What do you expect now? We came from the city. I should be looking very good.
City. Now job is easy. You know our job now. Money.
Chukudi.
Hey, baby.
So you came back?
My dear, I came back.
He's coming for a settlement though. He's not a big boy. Look
at
my dear, sorry. Okay, so you are going to.
Let me go and see my organ.
Okay, no problem. But he will settle you.
Bye.
What happened? You wasted.
I'm sorry. Do you know I went there? That woman was not there. I needed to wait for her to come. Sorry.
But finally, the meat is here.
The meat is here.
I'll make you one blow, 7 apples.
Get up! I say I don't want to see you close to my house again. You! Listen, let me tell you.
I'm sorry.
I don't want to see you.
I'm sorry. I didn't do anything.
When I met you, I thought I have found a wife.
Yeah, I'm a wife.
I thought I have found my missing ring.
I'm the missing ring.
But I never knew you were a cheap prostitute.
No, I'm not a prostitute.
My friend, get out from here. Get out. Get out. Get out.
I'm not a prostitute.
See, come on, get out from here. I don't want to see you close to my house again. I don't want to see you. Everything your sister told me is true. You're just a cheap prostitute. I was even coming to see you and I saw you messing around with one brat. He was romancing all over your body.
No, romance. No. Nobody was romancing me. Maybe you didn't see well. You should have removed your glasses.
I said you should go. Are you mad? Come on, get out. Get out. Prostitute. That is how you people sleep around with men.
Listen. I'm a virgin. If you're here, you're a
virgin, you.
Because I'm a virgin. I'm not a prostitute.
Let me just see you close to my house again. You see what I'm doing?
I'm sorry.
Shoki?
So I can provide for them, guide them, protect them.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Oh, shut up. Shut up, you. Oh, don't begin to shed crocodile tears because you both are a very big disappointment. Oh.